Hi guys, Mulos here. Today I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Go to watch YouTube videos without using up too much data or your bundles. YouTube Go is released by Google as a way for people in places where data is expensive, overpriced, to watch YouTube videos on a budget. Download and install the program or the app YouTube Go and run it. Okay, once it's running, this is how it looks. You can see the channels that you're subscribed to. In my case, I'm subscribed to 4. You can also see videos recommended to you because of what you've been watching before. In my case, a lot of anime and food stuff, as well as tech reviews. So if you look at, let's say this video here by Unbox Therapy, what you can do is either download it. You can set the settings here. Download either basic, the smallest file size, standard, medium sized file, or high, the biggest sized file. If you don't want to download, you can even just watch the video by tapping on it. And it's going to give you the options of downloading or playing. In my case, I'm just going to play. Once you click on play, it's going to play on the resolution that you have picked. In my case, basic is the lowest resolution. It's still very, very viewable.
Like the iPhone hype
Here we go.
train is back in full motion because in front of me today I have.
Now if I go back, let's say I wanted to download the video. Instead of watching it online, I want to download so that I can watch later on. I simply click on the download button here and it starts downloading. If you go down here to the bottom, there's the download folder. Click on that and these are the videos that I have already downloaded. There's my food videos, tech review videos, anime videos, and the Teletubbies. Don't ask me why. Alright, so all these videos are saved on my phone so I can view them online or offline. The Unbox Therapy video has finished downloading, so I can even start watching it immediately.
So looks like the
And here it is. It's done. So with YouTube Go, you can watch videos on very, very low data usage. If you want to search for videos, you simply search for what you want. In my case, let's say Celine Dion, Call the Man. Search for it. They come here. I can watch or download some of them. Some of them are copyright protected, so you can't download them. You can only watch. So, okay, in this case, you have seen that the download is disabled because this is a copyright protected video. So I can only play it. And I can play it after choosing the resolution that I want and seeing how much data will be used. I love this song. Check it out. Celine Dion, Call the Man, one of her most beautiful songs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This has been Mulos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, and let me know what you think. Oh, and I forgot one last thing. With YouTube Go, you can't actually like or dislike a video. The options are quite limited. You can see the details on the video, basically how many views it's got, when it was uploaded, the copyright details, and the likes. You can subscribe to the channel, but you can't like, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment. For that, you need to go onto the normal YouTube. This is a normal trade-off. They want you to use the normal YouTube, but at the same time they understand that maybe data might be a problem for you, so they're giving you this option. And to prevent everybody from going to YouTube Go, they are restricting some of the things that you can do so that you still have to use the normal YouTube for those other things like liking a video, subscribing, leaving comments only. Otherwise, thanks for watching and bye.